Here are some basic costume jewelry cleaning tools to have on hand. Delicate cleaning solution, use this for metals. Do not dip plastics or anything with glue. Silver wipes, soft cleaning cloth, and a polishing cloth. We're going to clean a few pieces. First, a pair of earrings. We're going to clean the backings with the wipes. Try not to get the wipe on the pearl part too much. It could take the coating off. Finish it up with the pink cleaning cloth for a little extra shine. For metal earrings, you can dip them in the cleaner, dry them with the cleaning cloth, and give a nice polish. I have a necklace here with a little trouble spot. We're going to try to clean that with the wipe. Dry it and give it a little polish. Be very gentle with your costume jewelry. It is old and can be delicate. Stay tuned for more tips. And follow me on Whatnot, star 884, and on Poshmark, star 884.